Hello everybody, so this is just a quick uh, orchid spotlight on currently in bloom cattleya species in the greenhouse. This is Cattleya digbyana, and it's quite known for its deeply fringed tree lobes. As you could see there, tree lobe lip, and it's very lime green, the color, and it's known to have a very nice lemony fragrance during the night, and that's why a lot of people like this species because it's fragrant and it's actually odd looking, very unique looking, and it's one of those species that can be found in Central America, Mexico, Guatemala, Honduras, Belize, Costa Rica. Those are the places, and they're known to cling on acacia trees and shrubs. So they really like to cling on stuff. As you could see here, it's in a pot, but actually they like being in, clinging on mounts and stuff like that. So if you're into like mountable orchids, this is definitely one that you would like. And yeah, it just really looks nice in terms of its um, the features of the flowers because of the hair-like protrusions from the lip. And what else can we say about this? Oh, this is a awarded variety of the digbyana, which is the name here is digbyana um, Mrs. Chase. It's an AMAOS awarded plant, so it's an award of merit. And I know just a division of this plant costs about $150 as I've seen from orchidweb.com and Autumn's Orchids. And it's a very coveted species. And yeah, so definitely I would be uploading a lot of this type of orchid spotlights based on what's currently in bloom in the botanical garden. And yeah, if you really like this kind of videos, um, yeah, just subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like my videos and also click on the notification bell icon. So again, this is Cattleya digbyana, Mrs. Chase, AMAOS. All right. See you next time on another Orchid Spotlight. Thank you for watching.